Have you ever wondered why thunder makes that loud rumbling sound? Thunder isn't the sound of light, it's the sound of heat and air. When lightning strikes, the air around it suddenly heats up to about 30,000 degrees Celsius, hotter than the surface of the sun. This extreme heat causes the air to expand rapidly, then cool and contract just as fast. That sudden expansion and contraction create powerful shock waves in the air. What we hear as thunder is actually those shock waves traveling through the atmosphere. During a storm, it's safest to stay indoors.